Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to eat multivitamin capsules. To start, always take your multivitamin with a meal. This significantly improves absorption and helps prevent stomach upset. Drink a full 8-ounce glass of water to ensure the capsule goes down smoothly. Taking it consistently with food makes it an easy and effective part of your daily routine. If you find swallowing capsules challenging, try this simple trick. Place the capsule on your tongue, take a sip of water, then tilt your head forward as you swallow. This helps the capsule float to the back of your throat. Another option is the pop bottle method, where you drink from a bottle with the pill on your tongue. These methods can make a big difference. For optimal benefits, aim to take your multivitamin at the same time each day. Many people find it easiest to remember with breakfast or dinner. Consistency is key for your body to properly utilize the nutrients. If you have any specific dietary needs, such as a low-fat diet or certain health conditions, it is always best to consult with your doctor for personalized advice. Remember to store your multivitamins properly in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Always adhere to the recommended daily dosage listed on the product label. Taking more is not better and can be harmful. If you have any questions or concerns about your multivitamin or other supplements, please talk to your healthcare provider for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.